Ever been standing at the laundromat, ready to wash your clothes, only to realize you've forgotten your Tide PIN number? It's a frustrating situation, trust me. Today, we're going to dive deep into figuring out what your Tide PIN number is and how to reset it if you've completely lost it. What is a Tide PIN number? A Tide PIN number is a unique code associated with your Tide Rewards account. It's essentially your key to unlocking the benefits and rewards that come with using Tide products. From earning points to redeeming prizes, your Tide PIN number is crucial. Why is it important? Your Tide PIN number is more than just a random string of digits. It's your gateway to a world of savings and exclusive offers. Without it, you'll be missing out on all the perks that come with being a loyal Tide customer. Finding your Tide PIN number. Check your emails. The most common way to find your Tide PIN number is to check your emails. If you've recently created a Tide Rewards account, you should have received a welcome email containing your PIN. Search your inbox for emails from Tide or use the search terms Tide PIN or Tide Rewards. Tide Rewards app. If you've downloaded the Tide Rewards app, you can usually find your PIN there. Look for a section labeled My Account or Profile, and you should see your PIN listed under your account details. Tide website. If you're unable to find your PIN through email or the app, you can try visiting the Tide website. Look for a section where you can log into your rewards account. There should be an option to view or reset your PIN. Resetting your Tide PIN number. Tide website. If you've lost your Tide PIN number and can't find it through the methods mentioned earlier, you can usually reset it online. Visit the Tide website and look for a Forgot PIN or Reset PIN link. You'll likely be asked to provide some personal information to verify your identity, such as your email address or the last 4 digits of your credit card. Tide customer service. If you're unable to reset your PIN online, your next best option is to contact Tide customer service. They should be able to assist you in recovering or resetting your PIN. You can usually find their contact information on the Tide website. Keep your PIN secure. Once you've found or reset your Tide PIN number, it's important to keep it secure. Avoid sharing it with anyone and consider storing it in a safe place. You can also enable 2-factor authentication on your Tide Rewards account for added security. Tide Rewards benefits. Now that you have your Tide PIN number, you can start taking advantage of all the benefits that come with being a Tide Rewards member. From earning points on purchases to redeeming exclusive offers, there's a lot to explore. Be sure to check the Tide Rewards program terms and conditions for more information. In conclusion, finding or resetting your Tide PIN number is a relatively simple process. By checking your emails, app, or website, you should be able to locate it or recover it if lost. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Tide customer service for assistance. Remember, your Tide PIN number is your key to unlocking a world of savings and rewards, so make sure you keep it safe and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy laundry day.